This was by far the worst job I've ever seen, and I've been doing this now for 17 years, so that says quite a bit.
We saw what a disaster it was and figured the best thing for our entire industry is to help out and show show the customers and show everyone that spray foam is a great product, and there's a lot of really good contractors out there.
The guys that are working right now are working super hard, and it's absolutely awesome. The work that has been done in there is absolutely dreadful, but we're here to fix that up.
It's pretty intense. We all thought it would be a little easier to get the foam out, but it's labor intensive.
My name is Luke Egley. I work for Elastichem Specialty Chemicals. I am the technical sales manager for Western Canada.
I'm Lane from Total Site Services, owner-operator. We're at Edmonton, Alberta.
I'm Wes, owner of West Can Spray Systems.
My name is Matt Littman and I'm the owner-operator of Top Gun Spray Foam. Just saw a problem and figured we could come help fix it.
My name's Steve Johnson. I own Northern Foamworks, NFW Spray Foam and Coatings in Red Deer, Alberta.
My name is Kurt and I work at Beyond Foam Insulation.
My name is Mike Marlowe. I'm from HMFT Pier Spray.
Ben Porter, Polysource Industries. Skylar Pinchak and High Performance Spray Systems.
My name's Adam Luffman. I'm the owner and general manager of Urethane Foam Consultants.
This is a showing of a bunch of companies that want to come together and make a job right for a nice homeowner.
Just because there's one bad apple doesn't mean we're all bad. We can come together and fix an issue. So
We're here to help these people out and help show everybody that this is not a typical spray foam job.
My name's Evan Osmond and I work at Beyond Foam Insulation.
I'm Michael and I work for High Performance Spray Systems.
my name is Matthew and I work with West Can Spray Systems.
I'm Adam Mowat and I work with Beyond Foam Insulation.
Hi, my name is Jordan. I work for West Can Spray Systems.
How's it going? I'm Glenn Bradley. I work with Beyond Foam.
Jamie Weisgerber, Double R Value Insulation.
Everybody's working hard and it's going quicker than I thought it would.
It's hard, but yeah, really good to see a bunch of guys who usually compete with each other get together and work as hard as they can to make this right.